How to turn off Apple Pay. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off Apple Pay. Now, if you have added payment method on your iPhone device or your Apple device and you have enabled Apple Pay and now you want to toggle it off, then the process is simple. To do so, you can simply go ahead and open up settings. Once in settings, you want to scroll down and head over to the option that says wallet. In my case here, you can see wallet. Now, in my case, I haven't added any of the payment methods here, as you can see. But if you do have one, you'll be able to see there, and you'll be able to see the option that says Apple Cash at the top. You want to make sure that the Apple Cash option is toggled off. Once you do so, all the payment through the Apple Pay will be disabled. But also down below you'll find double click side button where so that you don't pay through your Apple Pay by mistake, you want to toggle it off as well. So this is the way that you can turn off Apple Pay. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.